Hey cadets, the recent news of PayPal jumping headfirst into cryptocurrency has caused a lot of FOMO and is likely one of the main contributors to Bitcoin's price hike. While this is good news for adoption and brings more awareness into crypto, today I want to talk about why it might not be all rainbows and unicorns. I'm Captain Crypto and welcome to Cryptonauts. First and foremost, we must all remember that PayPal is a payment system. They make their money through their processing fees, and just like Visa and MasterCard, they want their piece of the pie too. According to the Motley Fool, average credit card processing fees range from 1.2 to 3.3%. Businesses usually absorb these costs, but if you've used PayPal, then you already know they charge 4%. They don't care whether you're spending US dollars, Canadian dollars, euros, or Bitcoins. 4% is 4%. So while this is good for adoption, we must also remember that this is purely a business move on PayPal's part. Next is the potential flurry of misinformation. If millions of newcomers are onboarded to Bitcoin through PayPal, there could be a very serious information gap that jeopardizes their experience and undermines key principles of cryptocurrency, stated the blog post by Satoshi Labs. No one should consider money held entirely by a third party as owned by them. This puts PayPal in the same risk category as any crypto exchange, which are vulnerable to hacks. Remember, not your keys, not your crypto. There are already modern finance tools such as Cash App or Robinhood that offer Bitcoin investing or Bitcoin stocks.
One pathetic sob story later.
These companies prey on vulnerable and new users who have not fully educated themselves on the topic of crypto but are ready to invest. Think of these companies like a car mechanic. The less you know about cars, the more it works in the mechanic's favor. You are forced to trust what the mechanic tells you, and ultimately he could be overcharging you. And guess what? PayPal could be no different. Now, I'm not here to say that PayPal is doing anything wrong, but we highly doubt PayPal is integrating crypto because they care about adoption. We wanted to do something different in this episode and play the devil's advocate for once. What do you guys think of crypto coming to PayPal? Do you like it? Do you hate it? What do you think? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, hodl, secure crypto, and may Satoshi and Vitalik be with you always.